Hello, in this lecture I will talk about the structure of the visible universe. The Earth rotates around its own axis and completes a full orbit in 24 hours or in one day. The Earth also revolves around our Sun and completes a full orbit in 365 days or in 1 year. Uh, the solar system is a system of planets in which at least 8 planets and many other bodies orbits around the Sun according to the relevant gravitational forces. And our Sun is a star, one of about 200 billion suns or stars that exist in our galaxy, the Milky Way. So the solar system surrounds as one unit the center of our galaxy, the Milky Way. It completes a full orbit in 225 million years. Our Milky Way galaxy rotates in a spiral motion around its own rim and completes a full orbit in 650 million years. The Milky Way galaxy is part of a cluster of galaxies called the local group. It resides in the neighborhood of a few dozen galaxies called the local group. They range in size from small dwarf galaxies to the large Andromeda galaxy. There are about 54 galaxies in the local group cluster. The local group galaxies cluster, which is near one end of the local supercluster, rotates around its own center at a speed of about 400 kilometers per hour. Our local galaxy group, known as the local group cluster of galaxies, is gravitationally bound and consists of around 54 galaxies, including our Milky Way galaxy. The local group is part of a larger structure known as the Virgo supercluster, which is a collection of galaxy clusters and groups that are gravitationally bound to one another. As for the Milky Way galaxy, it is thought that it orbits around the center of the Virgo supercluster, although the exact nature of this orbit is still a topic of ongoing research. Some studies have suggested that the Milky Way may be on a collision course with the Andromeda galaxy, which is another member of the local group cluster, but other studies have suggested that this collision will not occur for several billion years. The analysis also reveals other clusters, including a separate supercluster called Perseus Pisces and a distance concentration named Shapley, which lies about 650 million light years away from the Laniakea supercluster, and the Laniakea supercluster actually moves towards Shapley supercluster. Okay. Um, what is the biggest thing in the universe? Scientists have created first map of a colossal supercluster of galaxies known as Laniakea. Laniakea, the home of Earth's Milky Way galaxy and many other. Actually, we can see in this picture the supercluster Laniakea in the yellow color, and actually the Milky Way galaxy is here in the red dot. And actually Laniakea supercluster is has 100,000 galaxies, and contains 100,000 galaxies, and it is 100,000 times more massive than the Milky Way galaxy. So you can see the Milky Way galaxy in the red dot here, and so you can see how small is our Milky Way galaxy, that it actually contains 200 billion galaxies. Okay. What is the biggest structure in the observable universe? The biggest single entity that scientists have identified in the universe is a supercluster of galaxies. You can see it in the picture. A supercluster of galaxies called Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall. So this is the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall, and it is actually 10 billion light years long. That is to say, it takes to the light 10 billion years to move across the entire structure of that great wall. Okay? For perspective, the universe is only 13.8 billion years old. Okay? So, it is actually 10 billion light years long, the biggest structure in the observable universe. Okay? And that structure moves as one unit in our universe. Okay. Thank you very much.